we go, chapter 15, and this is exercise 15.2, and we are on the other side of bonds now. We're buying them. So, first of all, we bought bonds for face amount, $150,000 worth, it looks like, if I'm looking at that wrong, right? Yes, so, this is an investment now, so we call it an investment at $150,000. And obviously we bought it, so that investment simply has to be paid for with cash. So that's your first entry. And then after 4 months, you need to do an adjusting entry for the interest earned on that bond, which is $150,000 times 8% times 4/12, which would be an adjusting entry is going to say interest receivable, right? Because it's going to be paid to us for the amount of $4,000. Haven't received it yet, but we will receive it in 2 months. And then this becomes interest revenue for $4,000. So around comes March, and we receive the interest payment, and that means we get a cash payment of $6,000. We have to remove that receivable, right? Because now we've received the cash, and that's a credit. We have to recognize $2,000 worth of revenue that wasn't recognized at the end of the year. So that kind of sets that up. It's a lot easier than the payables, isn't it? And then in March, we sold it for $102, which is 102%. So to find out what we received in cash, we would multiply 150,000 times 102 and come up with 76,500. So what's the rest of the entry? Well, we get rid of the investment in bonds because we no longer own that, and that's valued at we sold half of it, so it's valued at 75,000. That's what we paid for it. Again, it doesn't match, right? So we must have made money on it, and that would be a gain, which is a balancing entry of $1,500. And there you go. That's how you buy and handle a bond issue at face value.